Hello. Well, I'm sitting in a rather quiet open house today, partially because you can kind of see through the window the lovely rain happening outside. But I thought, what a great opportunity to show you this beautifully, freshly painted, new floor condo townhouse in the northwest end of Guelph. And another edition of what would I do with this kitchen? What would you do with this kitchen? I'm not sure what I would do with this kitchen, but I know I'd be adding a little more storage. Now, the person who lived here previously was a bit of a minimalist. Didn't need a lot of cabinets for storage. My kitchen at home is the opposite. There is no such thing as enough storage in my kitchen because I have too much stuff. However, having it open like this gives an opportunity to create. You could do a little benched-in seating area or a small two-piece or maybe even four-piece table down here with the light. Okay, the other thing you could do is take this piece of kitchen, carry it all the way down that wall to the window, and maybe have a live edge bar or something on the other side. Originally, this would have been a galley style kitchen with the original design, which would have been very tight. So I love that it's been opened up. So what do we need? Do we need new appliances? Run it straight down? Coffee bar style? Yeah. If it was me, the whole thing might end up on both sides running cabinets and counters again. Maybe, maybe not. I would definitely be adding in a dishwasher. Dishwashers generally are fairly easy to plumb in off the sink. There was a dishwasher here once upon a time. And this little corner I think is so cute. I've got it virtually staged as a little desk. However, I look at this and I look at the location of this. And this corner doesn't show very well in this video, but I think it would make an excellent spot for a little coffee bar, maybe a wine fridge too. So, other than upgrading the kitchen, this unit has clean, freshly painted, take you for a little walk through the rest. We have an updated two-piece washroom on the main floor. Coming up the stairs, again, painted ceiling, top, bottom, even smells nice like fresh paint still. Upstairs, the flooring was done maybe 7 or 8 years ago. Has a couple spots where it's a little tired, but still passable. Maybe an area rug in one spot. That was a primary bedroom. Over here, the main washroom. Coming through, bedroom 2. Also some brand new LED lights throughout the property as well. Really brightening it up. Bedroom number 3, or super cute office space. All right, so other than that, if we head down to the basement, it is unfinished, full of opportunity for your imagination. Movie room, gym, home office, maybe an additional guest space. So as I come down, I've got empty, clean space, laundry room, water tanks there as well. Left some baseboard. That way, if somebody wants to finish down here, this would make an awesome rec room space. And over here, I think this would make a really cute office, playroom, spare space. So, lots of opportunities here. This one is priced currently at $430,000, open to offers. Otherwise, it's in a complex in the West End of Guelph that is super family friendly, heated saltwater / chlorine pool, a newer kids playground, close to the West End Rec Center, close to Margaret Green Park, close to just about everything, great schools, If you have any questions, comment, let me know below, and reach out for the address. I will be here tomorrow 2 to 4 for an open house again. Have a wonderful day.